Hello! Today I thought I'd be talking about the Black German Pocket Knife Model 2000. Made by Mil-Tec. This is the box it came in. Ordered this from eBay. Here's the knife itself. See if I can get that there. But there's the Bundeswehr eagle. Main blade, straight edge. Mil-Tec right there. Liner lock. Has a saw blade. Can opener and a little slotted screwdriver. Slotted screwdriver, bottle opener, and wire stripper. And this one also is liner locked. A reamer. And a Phillips screwdriver. All the blades on this are coated in black scales. Feels pretty good in the hand. It came with an OK edge. But that's the Model 2000 German pocket knife by Mil-Tec. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and leave your comments. If you like, subscribe to this channel and share this video. And thank you. May God bless you.